Welcome back to our Nuer language series. In part 1, we learned common greetings. In part 2, we will learn how to respond to those greetings. Knowing responses helps you to continue conversations naturally. Let's begin. This lesson builds on the previous one. Make sure you review the common greetings from part 1 before moving on. If someone greets you with male, you can respond mala mugwa. This means all is peaceful. If someone tells you "Shiloh de teth," this could be they're happy to see you. You could respond "Shiloh de tedbo." This means the pleasure is mine, or I'm happy as well. If someone says "Barkamal," they're saying welcome. You could respond "Shiloh de ted," meaning thank you. If someone says "Nangajid," they're asking how's everything going. You could respond "Nangagwa" or "Nangajiak." This means all is well or all is not well. If someone says "Tik Shangajid," they're asking how is life treating you. You can respond "Shangaagwa" or "Shangajiak." Life is treating me well or life is not treating me well. If someone says "Chibat," they are saying they haven't seen you in a while. You can respond "Anathin Tanianlet." This means I'm here, I've just been working. If someone says "Mala karunwang," they're saying good morning. You can respond "Mala karunwang" or "Mala mugwa." This means good morning. If someone says "Mala kashangdar," they're saying good afternoon. You can respond "Mala kashangdar" or "Mala mugwa." This means good afternoon. If someone says "Mala katiang," they're saying good evening. You can respond "Mala katiang" or "Mala mugwa." This means good evening. If someone says "Malakawer," they're greeting you at night. You can respond "Malakawer" or "Malamugwa." This means good night. If someone greets you with "Shabbat Kamal," they're asking, "Did you have a good morning?" You can respond "Shabbat Kamal" or "Kanba Kamal," meaning I had a good morning or I did not have a good morning. If someone greets you with "Shabut Kamal," they're asking, "Did you have a good day?" You can respond "Shabut Kamal" or Kanbut Kamal, meaning I had a good day or I did not have a good day. If someone greets you with Shatian Kamal, they're asking, "Did you have a good evening?" You can respond Chatian Kamal or Kantian Kamal, meaning I had a good evening or I did not have a good evening. If someone greets you with Chuwar Kamal, they're asking, "Did you have a good night?" You can respond Chuwar Kamal or Kanwar Kamal, meaning I had a good night or I did not have a good night. If someone asks you Shibagadi, they're asking, "How was your morning?" You can respond Chabag Kapwal Puang, meaning I woke up with good health. If someone asks you Chitiangadi, they're asking, "How was your evening?" You can respond Chatiang Kamal, Chawajal, meaning I had a good evening. I went for a walk. If someone asks Chuwaradi, they're asking, "How was your night?" You can respond Chawar Kamal, Chatal ke pasta, meaning my night was good. I cooked pasta. If someone asks you Shinyanadi, they're asking, "How did you sleep?" You can respond Chanyanagwa, meaning I slept well. We finished responding to initial greetings. Now, when someone says a departing greeting to you, here's how you respond. If someone says, Bagni Kamal, they're saying, have a good morning. You could respond, Amanijin, Bagni Kamal. This means, you as well, have a good morning. If someone says, Buni Kamal, they're saying, have a good day. You could respond, Amanijin, Buni Kamal, meaning, you as well, have a good day. If someone says, Tiagni Kamal, they're saying, have a good evening. You could respond, Amanijin, Tiagni Kamal, meaning, you as well, have a good evening. If someone says, Wada Kamal, they're saying, have a good night. You could respond, Amanijin, Wada Kamal, meaning, you as well, have a good night. If someone says, Nini Kamal, they're saying, sleep well. You could respond, Amanijin, Nini Kamal, meaning, you as well, sleep well, or good night. If someone says, Bukan muangayo, this means, we'll have a conversation later. You could respond, Gua banja Kamal, meaning, okay, we will meet in peace. If someone says, Bukan muanganyok kagwad matod, this means, we'll have a conversation in a little bit. You could respond, Gua, meaning, okay, very well, or all right. If someone says, Bukan muanganyok kasyang madong, they're saying, we'll have a conversation again on another day. You could respond, Gua, meaning, okay, very well, or all right. If someone says, Budgetim, they're saying, I'm going to miss you. You could respond, Budgetimbo, meaning, I will miss you too. If someone says, Nagaji, they're saying, I love you. You could respond, Nagajibo, meaning, I love you too. If someone says, Bakon Jagayo, they're saying, we'll meet later. You could say, Ngwa, meaning, okay, all right, or very well. If someone says, Bakon Jaganyok, this means, we'll meet again. You could respond, Ngwa, meaning, okay, all right, or very well. If someone says, Bikonjik kashang madong, they're saying, we'll meet on a different day. You could respond, Ngwa, meaning, okay, all right, or very well. If someone says, Bikonyo kajik irun, they're saying, we'll meet again tomorrow. You could say, Ngwa, meaning, okay, all right, or very well. If someone says, Tiro, they're saying, take care of yourself. You could say, Amanijin tiro, meaning, you too, take care of yourself.